Oh,
Hello. I'm good. How are you?
yeah, I'm doing fine. Where are you from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Okay. Which part of Pakistan do you live?
Punjab. Where are
Punjab.
you from?
Have you ever been to Bangladesh? Do you know Bangladesh?
Yes, I know.
Okay. So, have you ever been to Bangladesh?
No?
No. So, do you have any plan in future? Will you come to Bangladesh?
I don't know.
Okay. So, what do you do? Are you a student or you doing work?
I'm a student.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, are you a college student or university student?
इंटरव्यू ले लो क्या क्या कहते हैं
Okay, okay, no problem.
um
Okay. So, how
what do you
long?
do?
Yeah, I'm a student as well as I'm a teacher. So, what's your name?
Good.
What's your name?
Noor.
Nora.
Noor.
Noor. Okay. Are you Muslim?
Yes.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. I'm also Muslim. So, Nora.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. So, do you prayer 5 times in a day?
Yeah.
Oh, what is this? It's
Yes.
cat. It is your cat?
Kid.
Cat. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So, for name.
What?
I said, there is any name of your cat that you call?
Yes.
What's the name?
Yes. Nishi.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Nashili.
Nashili. Okay, nice name.
Nashili.
Nashili. Okay, I understand. How long have you been using this platform?
For 5 days, I think so.
Okay, only 5 days.
Yes.
Okay. So, why do you use this platform? Is there any reason?
Earning, earning purpose, nothing much.
Okay, earning purpose. Okay, I understand. So, do you have any other platform? Do you want to earn money? Do you have YouTube channel, Facebook
No,
page? Okay,
no, nothing.
okay,
क्या करियो?
okay. So, how many languages do you know?
What?
How many languages do you know?
3.
3 languages.
Yes.
Okay. So, can I know what types of languages do you know? Urdu, English, and what is the third
Urdu,
thing?
English, Punjabi.
Punjabi. Do you know Bangla?
Yes.
Do you understand Bangla?
No, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Okay, nice to
See you
meet you
next
too.
time.
Have a good time. Pray for me. Pray for me.